Today we're going to be going over how to remove the base on your Bosch SHE model dishwasher. If you've got a problem, list it down in the comment section below. Let me know what you got. Pretty easy to take off. Take the top screw loose now. Pretty easy. It's a really small screw, but it's a little harder to get out. You can see that, but I think so. We'll take that loose as well. Remove the drain line also, because I'm sure that's gonna have to come off at some point. So. There are a few things that you need to be cautious of whenever you do this. Obviously, you just watched me accidentally pour water all over the place, so make sure you bring some towels. The next thing is make sure you're taking pictures of all this stuff or video so that you know exactly how all these things went back together. So there's no question of like which side this went on. So here we want to be really just cautious and careful. We want to understand where these hoses go back to. So like this short hose, just make sure whenever you plug it back up, it's got this seal, that seal is still intact, and you can just plug it back up into this. So I'm really interested to take this apart because it does look like there is a lot of backup in there, and of sediment and food particles. So I definitely want to take this apart. It does look like there's some buildup. There was some water flow, but it's entirely possible that there's just a bunch of clogged up stuff, and maybe it doesn't need a new pump. We might be able to fix it for basically free. So, that's what whole thing about my channel is. I really like doing stuff the right way, but also the cheap way. And understanding that buying a new part isn't always the best fix. Going inside of a part and fixing it sometimes is more trouble than it's worth. I try to find the good happy medium whenever I'm finding these fixes for you guys. I don't need a dishwasher. I have a dishwasher. I bought this dishwasher to make videos for you guys because some of you all have Bosch dishwashers. You've got problems with them, so that's why I'm over here tinkering this on my day off. Now down here at the bottom, of course, you should have your power disconnected. Mine is connected to an outlet that's not plugged in. But here, there is and I don't know how well you can see, but there is a connector right here. You just want to take a picture of how that goes because it does not go upside down in that way. It's gonna go this way. All you're gonna do, take this, slide it in like that, so it's gonna pop in. You can see that right there. All we're doing is we're taking this top from this side and we're just pushing it this way, and then it'll just pop right down. Okay, and then from that point we are removing these connectors. So you're going to want to make sure, maybe label them. This is for your water inlet valve. This one is for this blue thingamajiggy. Looks like a Samsung case brake, but this is the case brake. I think this is one of those float devices. Yeah. All right, so just take a screwdriver. Oh, this is a float. It's a float. It's like a float switch, like a GE dishwasher has a float switch to make sure it's not flooding. I guess for flood protection and stuff. So you just kind of push in and pull. You have this connection right here. We have this connection right here. We want to just take loose, and it's going to have some water. So let's go ahead and get prepared. Alright, now we can safely take the base away. Alright, so that's how to take the bottom base off your Bosch dishwasher, at least on these older model SHE models. So anyway guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one. Take care, God bless, Jesus loves you.